Welcome to Joget. User roles are crucial for access control and responsibility delegation, defining what users can see, do, and manage. This role-based access model helps organizations maintain governance, security, and collaboration by granting privileges based on real-world responsibilities and the principle of least privilege. Understanding these roles is vital for effective user and workflow management. User roles in Joget DX define access levels and control what each user can see and do within the platform. Roles help manage permissions for applications, user views, design tools, and process tasks, ensuring users only access functions relevant to their responsibilities. Only an admin and system manager user can view and manage these roles. After logging in as an admin, expand Quick Edit and go to Users. Expand Quick Edit. Select Users. Then, you see a list of all users in the system. Choose one of the users to edit their user role. Click the user cat to open their profile. Once the profile is open, you can see the roles that are already assigned to the user. Open the Edit User form to update the user role. In here, you'll see a list of all predefined roles available in the system. These roles are fixed access groups that control what each user can do. User, the standard end user or app consumer who interacts with published apps. Users do not have access to development or administrative tools. Admin, also known as super admin, the highest level role with full access to all system features, settings, and administrative controls. Admins can manage users, assign roles, and oversee all apps within the system. App Creator can create, edit, and manage applications, but cannot access or modify system-level configurations. System Manager can view and modify system-level settings and configurations, but cannot create, edit, or manage applications. You can remove, change, or add a new role to a user as needed. Each user can have multiple roles depending on their responsibilities. After you've chosen the appropriate role for the user, simply click Save to confirm. In addition, there's one special role, the App Designer role, which can be found on the App Composer setting page. This role can be assigned to organizations, individual users, or user groups to grant them permission to design and configure applications. Now, let's take a look at the simple permission matrix. This matrix provides a clear summary of what each role can and cannot do, helping you quickly understand the access level and permissions assigned to each user role. Let's review what each role can do. The admin, also known as the super admin, has complete control. They can create, edit, and delete apps, manage users and roles, and configure system-wide settings, and even overwrite settings such as language or time zone. The App Designer focuses on building and modifying apps, but does not have access to system settings or user management. The user role is designed for app consumers. Users can only access and use published apps. They don't have access to design or administrative functions. The System Manager can modify and maintain system configurations. Similar to the super admin, they can overwrite settings such as language or time zone. They oversee platform settings, but cannot create or edit applications. The App Creator can build new apps from scratch, use templates, or import existing ones. In the All Apps view, they'll only see the apps they've created or that are assigned to them, and they can fully manage those apps. From the app settings, they can also grant App Designer roles to other users. You've now learned how each role defines access and responsibilities. Understanding roles helps ensure secure, organized, and efficient collaboration across your platform. If you need more information or encounter any issues, the official documentation and Joget community are always available to help.